Our lesson today evaluate expressions with fractions. Every time here if you have expression and the value of the variable, you can substitute. Then do the order of operation. Like what here, if we have x divided by 12, I will substitute x using 2 over 3. It will become 2 over 3 divided by 12. And we said before, if we have fractions and division, we can change division to become a multiplication sign, and the reciprocal of the divisor will become 2 over 12. And here we still have 2 over 3. Now we can multiply, but before multiply, if we can simplify, yes, we will simplify first. Here, divide by 2, the answer is 6. Divided by 2, the answer is 1. Every time you can simplify any numerator with any denominator if you have a multiplication sign. Now, equals 1 times 1, the answer is 1. And here 3 times 6, the answer is 18. This is the answer. Here the same way, if we have a 3 over 4 plus 4y divided by 3 and the value of y it's 1.5, you can substitute y and put 1.5. Now we have addition, then multiplication, then division. We said here the order of operation is very important. Here 3 over 4 plus 4 multiply and then division. Yes, we will do the multiplication first. If we have division and multiplication, we start from left. Here we will start from the multiplication first. The first operation we'll do is what? Is 4 multiplied by 1.5. This is the first operation. Now we will do the multiplication. 3 over 4 plus 4 multiply, and if we multiply a mixed number, we can change the mixed number to become an improper fraction. It will become here 1 multiply 2, the answer is 2, plus 1 is 3 over 2. Then we will complete here, divide by 3. Now we can simplify 2 with 4, both of them is divisible by 2. Here the answer is 2, but the answer here is 1. If we multiply 2 multiplied by 3, the answer is 6. Now we have a 3 over 4 plus 6 divided by 3. Now we have only division and addition. We will do the division first. 6 divided by 3, the answer is 2. And don't forget 3 over 4. The addition here is very easy. 3 over 4 plus 2, the answer is 2, and 3 over 4. Now the answer is finished. If we have the next one, here give us a question. J plus 3 over 8 and J equals 3 over 4. We can substitute here using the same way. Every time substitute 3 over 4 plus 3 over 8. Here the two denominators are different. We can use a simple way to find the new denominator, 8 and 4. 8, we will find the multiple of 8, it's 8, then 16, then 24. And here the multiple of 4 is 4 and 8. This means the new denominator will become 8, the least common denominator. Here will become a new fraction, but with denominator 8, and here is the same denominator. Here 4 multiply what give us 8 multiplied by 2, and here also multiplied by 2. 3 multiplied by 2, the answer is 6, and here 8 stay the same, then 3 also stay the same, equals 6 plus 3 equals 9 over 8. Every time if you find an improper fraction, you can change the improper fraction to become a mixed number. 9 divided by 8, the answer is 1, but we still have 1 as a remainder. 1 over 8. By the way, here, if you want to find a new fraction and the bigger denominator is divisible by a small denominator, you can take the bigger as the new denominator. Another expression here, if we have k divided by 5 and k equals 4 and 1 over 6, we can substitute at the same way 4 and 1 over 6 instead of k divided by 5. We said before we have to change any mixed number to become an improper fraction if we multiply or divide fractions. Here I will change this mixed numbers to become 4 multiplied by 6, the answer is 24 plus 1, 25 over 6. Instead of division I will do multiplication. 5 it will become 1 over 5. From here we can simplify. Divide 5, the answer is 1. Divide 5, the answer is 5. Now we can multiply. 5 multiply 1, the answer is 5. And here we have 6 and the question is finished. If we have another one here, 1 and 3 over 8 plus 2m square with m equals 3 over 4. We will substitute using the same way. 1 and 3 over 8 plus 2, and here we have m exponent 2 or m square. We will write the m 3 over 4 and don't forget the square. From the exponent we know this any number squared or any number raised to exponent 2. This means this number multiplied by itself. 3 over 4 multiplied by 3 over 4. And the answer here, 3 times 3, it's 9 over 4 times 4, 16. Now we can write here 9 over 16. Now we have 1 and 3 over 8 plus 2 multiplied by 9 over 16. Here we have 2 and here is 16. We can simplify. Divide by 2, the answer is 1. Divide by 2, the answer is 8. Now the answer is 1 and 3 over 8 plus here 9 over 8. Over 8. And this sign is not equal sign, it's addition sign. Yes, from here is the same, it's addition. Now we can add. Why we can add? Because these two numbers have the same denominator. 3 plus 9, the answer is 12 over 8. And here we have 1. 1 plus nothing, stay 1. Look at 12 over 8. We can make it in simplest form. Divided by 4, the answer is 3. Divided by 4, the answer is 2. Now we have 1 and 3 over 2. But from before we know this. 3 over 2 equals what? Equals 1 and half. But don't forget, we still have a whole number here. Now the answer is 2 and half. This is the final answer. Every time, if you can change this improper fraction to a mixed number, yes, but don't forget that you have a whole number first. 1 plus 1 equals 2 and half stay the same. Now with the new kind here, the same question, but in what? In a table. He gave here us j equals half, another part j equals 4 over 5, another part j equals 1 and 3 over 4. I will use these values, 3 values for j, and substitute at the expression 2, j plus 3 over 5. From the first one here, he gave us j equals half. This means 2 multiply half plus 3 over 5. 2 multiply half, 2 multiply half, the answer is 1. 2 multiply 1 is 2. 2 divided by 2, the answer is 1. 1 plus 3 over 5, the answer is 1 and 3 over 5. I'll write here 1 and 3 over 5. Now we'll take another part. If j equals 4 over 5, I will do the same way, substitute j, but this time with 4 over 5. It will become 2 multiplied by 4 over 5 plus 3 over 5. Here we can multiply. 2 multiplied by 4, the answer is 8 over 5. 8 over 5 plus 3 over 5. The answer is 11 over 5. 11 divided by 5, the answer is 2, but we still have 1 over 5 as a remainder. Now the answer here is 2 and 1 over 5. The last part here, j equals 1 and 3 over 4. We can write again 2 multiplied by 1 and 3 over 4, then plus 3 over 5. Here we'll do the multiplication first, but if you want to do multiplication, you have to change this this mixed number to become an improper fraction. It will become 2 multiplied by 1 times 4, the answer is 4, then plus 3, it will become 7 over 4. From here we can simplify. Divide by 2, the answer is 2. Here divide by 2, the answer is 1. Now we have 7 over 2 plus 3 over 5. Now with the new thing here, if you have two prime numbers as a denominator, the new denominator will become the product of the two prime numbers. This means the product here is 2 multiply 5, 10. Yes, this is the new denominator. Now we multiply 2 by 5. This means we'll multiply 7 also by 5. It will become 35. And here 2 multiplied by 5 gives us 10. This means we'll multiply also the numerator by 2. It will become 6. Now we can add 35 plus 6. The answer is 41 over 10. 41 over 10, if we change it to become a mixed number, it's 4 and 1 over 10. The answer here is 4 and 1 over 10. Thank you for listening.